If you are really interested to make this type of PCBs, why you are waiting for that? So please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell button to get more videos. Hello guys, welcome to Learn from Genius. Today's video, how to design PCB layout and how to purchase it in online. So without delay, you want to ready for that, you want to make a good PCB and purchase it. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to get more videos. Thank you. So first open your browser and type ECDA and click on the first link of ECDA, online PCB design and circuit simulator. Once you want to click it, its home page will be shown for your desktop. So I can click it here. It will the many libraries will be shown here, so that's why I can use ECDA. So I already registered here. Suppose you are not registered here, you want to click that register button, it will be shown before that registered. So you want to click your username, password and captcha and click the create an account. After that the page will be shown here, the email ID will be shown here. So then you want to click personal workspace. So I can click personal workspace, then I can create my project. I can already finish this project, so I can click that plus button to get new project. So I can click it. Then after that you want to click that owner name and project name. Project name will be 12 volt power amplifier. Owner name that not be changed, it will be permanently fixed in Tamil. So okay, I can type project name 12 volt power amplifier test just for demo. So I can type project description. You want to type anything like how many components are used, why this component will be useful, and everything will be typed it here. Then project property, if you want to visible for all one, or you are visible to your team members, or it will be shown for you. So I can click private, it will give a better one. Then I can create a project. Once I can create a project, the page will be shown here. I can click open all in the editor tab. After that it will show the layout and tools and everything will be shown for me. This is my layout. If you are using your mouse, it's good one. Suppose you are not using laptop, please connect your mouse. So suppose you are sending your layout for your company or anything, you can change your names and sheets and everything. So please use your mouse to make a layout better one. So okay guys, first we want to explain everything, tools and everything. So first I can zoom it here and fix it in center. Okay, then I can explain one by one. First project, what project you are currently in, it will be shown here. Then you want to click the design manager, it means connection, errors, everything will be shown here. Then you want to get your components, ground, VCC, resistance, capacitance, inductor, switches, 7 segment displays, diode, LED, transistor, everything will be here. Suppose you are trying to getting a very important one, tip 35C, BC107, MOSFET FET, you want to search it and to get it. So suppose I can search BC107, I can search it. It will be shown some 15 components. I can click it here. Then I can place button, I can click it. Once I can click it, the component will be shown in my layout. So I can click enter and I can click escape. Okay, then I can delete that component by using just drag it from your mouse and I can delete button. You want to click it. After that, this is my 12-volt power audio amplifier. Okay, first I can connect audio input, speaker, 12-volt voltage, then resistance, capacitance and type 3 phase C and ground. So this is my simple 12-volt power audio amplifier. I can get the component. Just I can type type 3 phase C. Once I can click it here and search for it, it will be shown something like 10 components. Then I can click place. It will be shown my layout. Then I can zoom it. Everything will be fixed in this layout. After that I can click escape. Then I can collect resistance, capacitor. So I can click resistor. I want to search. Yeah, resistance will be there. I can fix it here. Then I can choose capacitor. Then I can pick my ground button. I can explain something. I already explained layout tools, and I can click file button to click new project, open project, save, import, export, print and everything will be there. Editor, so drag buttons, undo, everything will be there. So place button, you want to get the components, get the simple wire, bus entry, everything will be shown here and also shown in right tabular. Okay, then format, you want to rotate your components to left, right, horizontal, vertical, everything will be there. Then you want to zoom it. For using mouse, it will be not for you. Design, after you are finishing your PCB, you want to convert it to a PCB board, so it will be very useful. I can explain it. Then I can tools, fabrication, advanced settings, help. I can easily, you want to understand it, so I ignore it. Then I can connect that our circuit components. So first I need switches. Yeah, I can connect switches, one for audio input, another for speaker, another for voltage. Okay, after that I can connect with my pencil. Just I can fix it here. Then I can connect with my wire. It's like pencil. So just I can connect with my speaker. Suppose you are not visible to it, please scroll it to with your mouse and to connect it. After that I can choose my resistance to click on to left and to fix it here. Then I can choose capacitor to rotate. Okay, finish. Then I can choose my wire to connect this and I can rotate my audio input. After that you want to connect with wire. So finally you want to connect a resistance with T3 phase C and capacitor in between. So okay, just I can move the speaker to up. Then I can delete and to connect it to a better one. Yeah, I can finish it. Finally I can done in this position. Then I can connect my ground. So after that I can correct my voltage. Just I can connect with my voltage. Then I can connect it to an ground one. You want to make your wire with a longer one or everything, then I want to compress it by using of PCB. So you want to worry about anything, don't worry about. So after finishing it I want to change the text. I want to change it this text to audio input. So audio in. Okay, then I can choose H1 to input. So you want to choose your rename to better one, so I can choose in. Then I can click it speaker, then I can change it to an speaker. Okay, output, I can change H2 to output. After that I can make the value of capacitor resistance. So Vin, I can ignore H3. Then I can choose my capacitor value to 470. Why I can change this value? Because of we want to view our PCB, it will be get some idea. So you want to fix this capacitance 470 in displays. Suppose you are making a large value one, so that's why I can choose it to rename it. So this I can fix everything like circuit. After that I can save it using of file to save. I can connect to server and save successfully. After that you want to go to the design and choose to convert to PCB. Yeah. After that you are giving some new PCB. It will show you what type of size, what type of shape it will be shown for your PCB. I can choose rectangular. After that the PCB will be shown here. I can copy all the components and drag it to the PCB board. After that I can zoom with my mouse. I can fix it in center one of tip 3 phase C. Then I can choose input to that side, output H3 C1 resistor. After that, you want to connect everything will be in bottom layer. Suppose you are complicated with something, that time you will choose top layer. Okay, first I can click bottom layer and choose my writing tool. Click writing tool and I want to change it to a 1.5 mm thickness, which will be a better one. So okay, everything will be good. After that you want to make connections. Okay, click escape. Then you want to connect capacitor with input or something. Automatically change to top layer. It will give some space problem, so that's why it will change it here. You make many errors, so you want to focus on your work to make it to a good one. Many companies need a small PCB with large components. If you are a good designer, you want to make better one. Why I choose like this? Because you are adding a more component. Some components will be connected complicated, so that's why I want to choose top layer and bottom layer both. So you want to choose it with your bottom layer, because your components having a like 6 components only, so that's why you want to use bottom layer, because it gives a good type of PCB, good looking one, so that's why you want to use bottom layer. I want to move a position because the company will really need a good PCB. Without contacting to another hole, so you want to make it to a better one, just I can click it and just move to left one and to connect with this. It will break that bond, so you want to choose bottom layer of fabrication. So after you want to complete it, want to check it for error, DRC error. It will not show your anything. Want to view to a 3D model manager. So each component you will be focused like 3D view. So okay, just I can cancel it. After that I can click PCB fabrication. So before I can explain something, I can't add a hole to fix it to another board. So I can choose scroll tools and I can click it on 4 columns. Suppose it sometimes will give a error. I can move it to an line 1, then it will give a X symbols of error. So you want to move it to a layout, near layout. After that it will not giving any error. So okay, once you want to finish it, then you want to add a text. If you need text, you want to add it. Just I can place it here and change the text to a PCB man or anything. So I can click PCB man and click enter. It will be shown here. Then I can choose it to a top. Then I can fix it to a center of my PCB. After that I can choose copper area and to make my layout outline to a good one. So I can click it here, click it and click and to escape it, and it makes me a good one. Then I can choose top layer to do that same thing, copper area. After that you want to click, everything will be better one. Then you want to choose fabrication. First saved it and you want to choose fabrication and click PCB fabric. So we are already checked the error, so I can click check RRC only. Then you want to view your design. You want to get this Gerber view, and it will be very useful for to creating a PCB with your own, or also you want to purchase it. So PCB and 10 PCB will be for you for $5 for delivery in 3 to 7 days, and I can also change it to an 5. It will give $4. So I can prefer 10. Then I want to choose PCB thickness, PCB color and everything, and place your order to JLC PCB. It will be the first platform to selling a PCB to a better one. And why I can prefer online to purchase PCB, because our thickness is very good. So that's why I can prefer online purchase. So once I can click everything, it will create a new tab, the PCB product cart. Suppose you are having some changes, you want to edit it here, you will give you $5 and everything. Then layers, 2 layers will be there, dimension, PCB quantity, thickness. Suppose you want to change it your color and thickness also, one but it having a same rate. So then PCB color will be blue, white, black, anything you want to change it here. Then you want to go to save to cart and to buy it a PCB. So if you have any queries, please comment it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel